Hi guys, welcome to this video. Welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how you can optimize your WordPress website database via cPanel. My name is Abdrazak. I am the founder of fastnova.com, and today, which is November 10th 2023, I will show you how you can optimize your website or blog database via cPanel. Make sure that your website is powered by WordPress or any other content management system like Joomla, Drupal, etc. So this video I will focus on WordPress, how you can use WordPress to optimize your website database via cPanel. So we are going to get access to our cPanel phyMyAdmin. You can see it is phyMyAdmin section we are going to use, and we are going to follow this step to create it. So first of all, let us look at the reason why you should optimize your website. Website database stores information on your website such as posts, pages, comments, menu, and any form of text areas, including the plugin you are installing on your website, anything that you are doing on your website, people that are coming to your website to comment, to subscribe to your newsletter, everything that they are doing are stored in your database. And when your database contains a lot of information, it can result in your website poor performance in terms of speed and even resources over usage of your cPanel account. You may lose traffic, you may lose customers who cannot access to your website due to the high level of database that you are having. So your website needs to be optimized since different numbers of PHP and MySQL requests are getting to the database of your website, because it may lead your website to a stuck in a queue hitting entry processes. So people are entering your room and they are not coming out. So this is what we are referring to on this website. So people are commenting your website, you are adding something on your website while you are not giving anything out. So if your database is full, it's going to disturb your website load time. So in this guide, I'll show you how you can optimize your WordPress website database via cPanel step by step. So we are going to get started. This is it. So to begin now, you may need to locate the database assigned to your website. So what we should do, the database that aligned to our website is this. These are our database. Okay, it might seem too confusing to you, right? So this is the database, MySQL database. So this is your own database. These are the users. This WP7 here is the database. You can see it contains a lot of information, 749.64 MB. You can see them. So now that we have identified our database as requested by this, you see that the first step is to locate the database assigned to your website. So if you do not know, feel free to check it via your website configuration. You can also go to your website configuration here. So let's go to the cPanel. So we are going to the file manager here. After you have visited file manager, you go to the public HTML here. You double click it, then you now scroll down and you can find WordPress configuration PHP. So this thing they show us that we should go and look for our configuration file, and here is our configuration file, WordPress configuration.php. So if you click it, double click it, it's going to download it. So what you're going to do is hover your mouse on it and you right click your mouse, and here you can see view. You can edit it, you can move it, you can download it. So we are going to click view. So this is the WordPress configuration.php as requested by this article. You need to find your website via you need to locate the database assigned to your website via your website configuration file, and that is it. So the username here of our database, which is db database, that is db. You can see it from here at the beginning of our article. I said website database, that is db, and that is it. db name, database name is faster, you can see. So if you come here, cPanel tool, the first thing we did earlier, it shows that our we recently see it. So they are the same. Since they are the same, what we should need to do now is you can find it. So since we have found our database name, you can see now this is it. So we are going to back up our database. This database, we are going to back up it. Please, we strongly advise you to back up your database before you do any optimization, because if you don't do it, it's going to let you lose something. So what we are going to do is, let's go to your cPanel right here. So let's go to the backup section, backup here, you click it. Now these are the full backup, full backup. So let's go to the partial backup, which is the restore MySQL the database backup. So you are going to click here. This one refer to here. This is the database name, and here is the database name. So you are going to click on it. If you click it, automatically it will start downloading. You can see download the MySQL database backup. So we are going to download it by clicking it. You can see on our computer it is downloading now. So I'm going to stop it. So because I don't want to let it to download yet. Just even if you download it, it does not matter. Just to help you as a beginner, that is it. So now that you have downloaded it, the next step here is we are going to the My PHP section on our website, and from there we go to this is it. To go back to your cPanel. So we'll be scrolling down, and this is the My PHP admin. You click it. So you are going to click database here. If you click database here, the result that it will give you is the same. So when you click here, this is the fastest, this is the database name. You can cross check it from here. They are the same. So we are going to click on it. So this is the result it gave to us. So these are your database. They call them table. So they call them table. They are here. Actions, scheduler, actions, blog meta. These are your blog comments, meta, comments, events, notes, user, etc. Everything that is happening on your website are here. So for you to, let's say for example, you want to delete comments. So we are going to click here, and You scroll down, you have mark comment already, then you click here with selected and you choose optimize table. So it's going to optimize it. You have SQL query. Your SQL query has been executed successfully. That means it has been optimized successfully. So this is the optimized table and this is the comment. We have optimized it already. So I'm going to click OK. Status is OK. This is the status is OK. So this means that the comment section was being optimized. That doesn't mean that you will not have any comment on your website. You will have those comments will not be deleted, but they are not stored in the database anymore. So your website will load faster anytime people are visiting your website. That's the work of that. So I'm going back to here to show you one more tips. So you have this, maybe your website is very long that you optimize your website for the last time, and you have different tables here, different files are stored on your website. Like here you can see 149 tables. So I'm going to click check all here, and it will check all of them at once without you needing to be going to them manually. This is the Yoast. Yoast is a plugin on our website. This is the WordPress queues. I downloaded it since it's very long. When I created my website very long, in the first time, that's when I downloaded Queues plugin here. WooCommerce, I'm not using WooCommerce, but I once downloaded it on my website before, and yet it is showing. You can see. So I'm going to delete them from my website to optimize them. So now that I have clicked or mark this check all, I'm going to select optimize table and it's going to optimize everything. So let's wait for it to see the results that it will bring to our screen. It's going to be good news. So these are the databases. All of them, they perform different actions. Yeah. It's going to take a lot of time because we are optimizing over 100 databases, 149. So it's going to take a little time, but if you are optimizing 1 or 3, it will be optimized easily. Let's wait for it. Depending on your network, it will optimize very fast. The last time I optimized it is very long, that's why it's taking a long time. So your SQL query has been executed successfully. So you can see all these optimized table, all of them are here, and lots more. You can see the points infinity sign here. That means there are more. So these are the action scheduler tables already up to date. Now they are already up to date. You can see status okay. They are already up to date. Status okay. They are already up to date. Everything is up to date, up to date, up to date. So over 100 of them, 149 of them are okay. But they say that table does not support optimize, doing recreate instead. So that one is another method. You can use my SQL method to do that one, as we mentioned in this article here. So this is how to optimize WordPress website via cPanel. You can also optimize WordPress website via the MySQL database. To access all of your website databases, log into your cPanel and navigate to databases section. This is the database section. If you go to your cPanel, then you navigate to databases. The position can change, but make sure that their menu name is databases, and that is it. This one is domain section, security section. So how can you log into your cPanel? That is the question you might have as a beginner. So to log into cPanel, you need to just basically visit http or www. You need to visit your website and add cPanel at the front of it. cPanel, you click enter. Automatically it will redirect you to the cPanel page. This is a cPanel, and you click login. You enter your cPanel username, enter the password, and that's it. You just click login. So they'll login you in to your cPanel immediately. This is how to log into your cPanel very fast. So how to get a cPanel? This is another question that I also get from clients. So as a beginner, you need to get clients before you can get access to use websites or blog. So website cPanel is not an account that you can go there to create. While we were logging to the cPanel, I hope that you did not see register here. What you saw is reset password, login, and this is the chat with your hosting provider. Hosting provider can be Bluehost, can be Namecheap. So that's it. This one is Namecheap. So this is how they customize their own. So they will not tell you that register cPanel here. What they'll tell you is login. So that means to get a cPanel account, you need to buy hosting from a hosting registrar company like Namecheap, Bluehost, etc. So these people will give you your cPanel login details, username and password. So that is it. They will give you and you log in here. So you can get started. I have written a lot of guides on how to get a cPanel. So you may consider visiting www.fastnow.com to read about everything on web design, digital marketing, and SEO. So in this guide, you may see our expert guide on how to get a cPanel. So if you click on it, I wrote a guide on it step by step for you. So that's it. I hope this video has helped you know how you can optimize your website database via cPanel phyMyAdmin section. So if you know that it has helped you, please subscribe to this channel, give this video a like, and comment with any question you may have to ask via the comment section. I'll be glad to get in touch with you shortly. So this is the guide on how to get a cPanel step by step. So you may go to fastnow.com. This is the website address, and go and read it. I have a lot of articles for you. So goodbye and